What's up guys, I'm Pavitra back with another video. In this video I'm gonna tell you about the Oppo R15. This phone will come with the unannounced Snapdragon 670, which is a new chip and it is more powerful than 660. And from the recent leak of Oppo R15, we came to know that its design is just like the iPhone X. This handset can be seen in 3 color variants like black, pink and purple. Unlike the vertically stacked dual camera of iPhone X, the Oppo smartphone port horizontally arranged dual cameras. The antenna bands are placed on the top and bottom edges of the phone, and the best thing is it have a fingerprint sensor which is placed at the back panel. Let's hope for the best, and we want to see the new Snapdragon 670 in the upcoming smartphones. Anyways, I am Pavitra signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.